Hey, what's up? Hello, how are you? Okay, now let's talk about 2015 D Lincoln Shield Penny. Yeah, Lincoln Shield Penny 2015 D. Okay, let's read first what is written on the coin. In God we trust, liberty 2015 D. At the reverse of the coin, the shield. United States of America, e pluribus unum, 1 cent. Okay, we go back to the obverse side of the coin. About the 2015 D Lincoln Shield Penny. Let's find out. Let's find out the value or the price of a 2015 D Lincoln Shield Penny in top condition. Yeah, in top condition, 2015 D Lincoln Shield Penny. Okay, here we go. The most valuable 2015 D Lincoln Shield Penny was graded MS67 Plus RD by Professional Coin Grading Service and fetched $350 in a 2018 auction. Okay, that's all. I hope I was able to provide some information for coin collecting. Have a great day. Bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe.